Hello engineering students, this is going to be a quick video lesson on finding how to change materials and finding other information about the model that you create. So let's quickly make a cube. So open up Autodesk Inventor, start a new part, and you don't need to change anything. We're going to start right away. Start a 2D sketch, click on a plane, click on your rectangle tool, click on the origin, and we're going to make a 2 by 2 square. Finish the sketch, and then click extrude. Change the distance to 2. Make sure you click on that surface so that it extrudes out by 2, and click OK. So now we have a 2 by 2 by 2. This is a 2-inch cube. Go into, where is it? Tools. Click on Tools, and right here you have a button that says Material. Click on Material, and a material browser should open up. And now you have all of these materials that you can pick from. These are raw materials, so like steel, you have rubber, plastic, and then wood. So at the very bottom, click on the birch wood, click on that little arrow, it's going to send it up here, and it should turn your part into that material, the wood birch. Close the browser, and let's save this as a wooden cube. So I'm going to save it as 2-inch wood cube, and save. Let that save for a moment. Now what we can do with that material being there, we can find out some information about this part. So if you click File and then go to iProperties, your iProperties menu has a tab that says Physical. In the Physical tab, it'll show you your material. Go ahead and click Update, and then it's going to show you the general properties and its inertial properties, global properties, center of gravity, and so on. So this information can be used, let me change that to high, I don't need to update again. This information can be used when you're designing cups or bins, stuff that might hold food, like a popcorn bowl or a popcorn container. You want to know the density, you want to know how much volume it takes up. So if I asked you to design a box that takes up a volume of 8 cubic inches, you would know that your design here does that, because it's a 2 by 2 by 2 cube, and we can go into the properties and we can find the volume right here. So that's a really important piece of information for particular objects, such as a popcorn container or something else. You want to take up a certain volume in a design. You can find that information by going into the iProperties and the physical section, the physical tab of your part. Okay, so what do I want you to do for this assignment? I want you to change the material to any of the other materials here. Okay, so for example, glass. I'm going to turn it into glass, close it, File. So I want you to go to iProperties, go to the Physical tab, and I want you to tell me its mass, its area, its volume, and the mass will change depending on the material. So if I go to gold, okay, I want you to do this 5 times. Pick 5 different materials. Okay, tell me its density, its mass, and any other information that I have you fill it out on a worksheet. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And you're going to be using it for this 2 by 2 cube that you've made. So fill out the worksheet, and yeah, that's the skill I wanted you to learn in this video lesson. If you have any questions, let me know.